Alright, hey and stuff guys, so we're going to be making barbecue chicken with some corn on the cob and a salad. But so there we go, we're getting our chicken marinating in that stuff, and here's our corn. It's not corn season, so it's quite small, gross. And so what I did was cut those all right in half and melted down some butter with some spices and stuff. As you can see, they are small compared to that dope knife. And right now I'm just rubbing the butter and spices mixture into all the cracks of the corn, very gingerly I might add. And there it is, it looks pretty. And what I'm going to do next is actually add, it's like a Parmesan garlic mixture on top of that after I let them sit in the fridge for about half an hour. Just to get coldish back up. And what I'm going to do is wrap them all individually in tin foil to cook on the grill next to the chicken. And as I went to go put them on the grill, I realized that only half of the grill was working, so then I stopped doing that and I unwrapped them and did them in the air fryer. So here's our chicken. What I'm going to do first after taking it out of the marinade is just grill both sides lightly, just so it kind of traps in that flavor and it's a little bit dried off for when we start to apply our barbecue sauce, as we are doing now. For the barbecue sauce, I usually make my own, but today I use Sweet Baby Ray's spicy, sweet and spicy. There it is, done, looking dope. I cooked it on a very low temperature. It usually makes it very juicy and stuff, as you can see. And also the corn came out pretty dope. All crispy, burnt-ish on purpose-ish and stuff-ish. But yeah. There that is. Not gonna lie, got pretty lazy on the salad. It's a store-bought one that I threw some dressing on. I didn't even make the dressing, but the corn and the chicken look dope. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good night and stuff.